Welcome to the MOOCs course Community Engagement and Social Responsibility. Today we will discuss Unit 2 entitled Community Engagement in Entrepreneurship. This unit is divided into two modules. Today we will discuss Module 2 titled Community Development and Engagement Programs. In the sixth part of Module 2, we will discuss community engagement programs such as free medical and rural development camps run by Dayalbag Educational Institute. In the previous part, we learned about community collaboration, community engagement, its life cycle, and frameworks. Let's see about the DI Community Partnership. The Dayalbag Educational Institute has successfully completed around 291 medical camps which has been scheduled every Sunday for the nearby community members. In this, Dayalbag Educational Institute includes the medical help and also the rural help for them. There are various types of things we will do in this medical. This is not merely a medical camp. It also includes some solutions to basic problems. It also helps in increasing the overall development of a child. So these also include Ayurvedic, homeopathic, allopathic, and various types of things have been covered in these medical camps or in the activities in DI medical camps includes there are general physicians, surgeons, heart and eye specialists, child specialists, dentists, Ayurveda and homeopathy. All of these type of doctors are always available for the local community members. They can go there and they can take an advice of these members. Chest and tuberculosis specialist, ENT specialist, physiotherapist, gynecologist, pathologist, radiologist. There are some pre-pathological tests have also been done in these medical camps. Free as ECG and ultrasound are also available. Free medicines are also distributed in these medical camps. Now we see there are some pictures of these medical camps. Each and every person is provided with some unique ID registration which is being done in the medical camps. The regular medical checkups, medicine distributions like Ayurvedic medicines are also being distributed in these medical camps. We also focused on the organic farming. So there is a place where the teachers of the institute aware the local farmers that how they can do organic farming in their fields and what are the benefits of organic farming. All of these are the programs of like community engagements for their development. The dairy technology, how they can use dairy technology for to increase their earnings. The diet and nutrition, which is a very important thing for a well-being of a society. The next is some in these medical camp, the DI skill based programs are also showcased to the local villagers. They are being aware of these programs that how they can train in the institute for these skill based programs, and women are also trained in these medical camps. The women and the children they come regularly to study or to know about these programs. They develop their skills there and they perform the same task in their homes like weave of textile. They tells about how they can do the tie and dye type of things in the regular basis. The weave of ceramic and pottery designing. There's also a DI cart, which is also a skill training program. Footwear technologies, the triple LE, that is lifelong learning extension activities, and weave of waste management. These all skill-based programs are always showcased in these medical camps and which also help these rural peoples to sharpen their skills for their livelihood. In this you can see the first picture, you can see that here the students are learning the stitching, sewing and painting. The overall development of the children are being taken care by the Dayalbag Educational Institute in the medical camp. There is a proper place for the games and sports for the children in the medical camp, distribution of fruits for the children and the different type of nutritious biscuits, chyawanprash and therapeutic has been given to the students, and the students are monitored regularly. The children are monitored regularly by the staff members for their change in the nutrition lifestyle. Their malnutrition should be overcome. They should take care of that each and every girl are having these nutritious thing proper. You can also see there are also some other programs like English learning. Students are make aware of how they can learn English. The soft toy making program, block printing, hole in wall, mano stitching, games, how they have to follow traffic rules. All of these programs are running. All of these programs are showcased in these medical camps. Apart from this, all of these development, a spiritual development have also been done in these medical camps by the continuous recitation of Bhagavad Gita part during these medical camps. So, in this part, we learned about community engagement programs run by the Dalbagh Educational Institute. So, to conclude this lecture, in this lecture, we have learned about the various type of government initiative which have been done like Seva Merada, what is collective self-determination, what are the types of leaderships we have studied, what are the community assets, their strengths we have discussed in this lecture. We have also studied what are community driven actions, developments, what are community collaboration, how the community engagement can be done, how these all are interrelated to each other, what are the phases of community engagements. We have taken an example of the Dalbagh Educational Institute, which have taken an initiative for community development engagement through the medical camps. All of these have been studied in this lecture. Thank you.